To efficiently manage logging in a Kubernetes cluster with multiple microservices, the ELKB stack is a powerful solution. ELKB stands for Elasticsearch, Logstash, Kibana, and Beats. Data collection, FileBeat and MetricBeat collect log files and metrics from your microservices. FileBeat is perfect for log files, while MetricBeat gathers metrics data. Data processing, Logstash processes and transforms this data before sending it to Elasticsearch. It acts as a pipeline to ensure data is structured and optimized. Data storage and search, Elasticsearch stores the processed data. It organizes this data into indices. Each index is divided into shards, which are smaller units that make data retrieval faster. There are primary shards and replica shards. Primary shards hold the original data, while replica shards provide redundancy to ensure data availability and reliability. Data visualization. Finally, Kibana visualizes the data stored in Elasticsearch. With Kibana, you can create real-time dashboards to monitor your microservices' performance and logs. Using the ELKB stack in a Kubernetes environment ensures that you have a scalable, efficient, and reliable logging system, making it easier to monitor and maintain your microservices.